সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এখন বিশ্ব বাংলা সংবাদ, ক্লিক করুন বেল আইকনে আর সব সময় থাকুন খবরে আপডেটেড।
I am happy to launch two eco-friendly and sustainable development projects in the state: effective waste management and sustainable development project of Calcutta Leather Complex at Bantala, and also 200 megawatt solar park project at Purvo Midnapur. I think the MOU will be MOU signatories and the industry representatives. I want to thanks to them because within 6 months after the Digha conclave, our business conclave Digha, before 6 months it happens in Digha, and within this COVID situation also, they didn't stop the work. Even I want to congratulate them. I do not know how to congratulate them because this is a good work, big work they have done. Within this situation and within 6 months, they have kept their commitment, and within 6 months, these projects are an outcome of the many more signed of Bengal Business Conclave at Digha in December 2019. I think everybody should get a lesson from this project that if there is a will, there is a way. Of course, Bengal, there is a way from my industry, from my small scale industry, from my leather industry and other industry, and the government. So both the sides, they are working together because they are happy. This project has a project cost of about 3 million euro, and also Ramesh Juneja and others are also there, leather industry, and also Dalmia. Abhishek Dalmia is also there. I've seen him. I think so, and the others also. How you are interested for this leather industry, Bantala, and it will be a model leather industry for all over the world, and it is the world best leather industrial situation, and lakhs of people will get the employment also. And there you have shifted the leather industry from Topsia and other place, but at the same time from Chennai or to Lucknow, so many people, the leather industry, the brothers and sisters, they came to join with you for this program. So we are really happy, and now we are getting the result. Our government facilitated signing of MOU between Dutch partners and CLC Tanners Association. The initiative will make the leather industry more environmentally responsible, improve their efficiency, and will lead to making them more competitive globally, and thus creating thousands of employees in leather sector. I think this project will go a long way, and I feel that MSME industry will be benefited from there, and whatever we have decided, more than 5 lakhs job will be created in leather industry itself in Bantala, and this will add a new employment opportunities. From the solar project in Midnapur, it is about 1200 crores, the projects, and here also the eco-friendly project. The project is also very much focused on the workers, training of workers, skills of new green training, the technologies, the prospects for jobs, and I'll be happy that these involve financial assistance from KfW Germany to the tune of about rupees 1000 crores. Government of West Bengal contribution stands there also 200 crores, the solar project in Midnapur Digha. The project will produce approximate 350 million units of power per annum. Thousands of people will get direct and indirect employment from Digha project also. I think the West Bengal became the national leader of the MSME industry. I have to appreciate that, and we are grateful to all the industrial friends for that. MSME, we are number one. Skill industry also, we are number one, because the small is always beautiful, and small always give us the result, and that we have shown the way, and that's why the West Bengal is the national leaders in many sectors of economy. MSME is one of them: leather, textile, jute, jams and jewellery, IT, seed, handicrafts, fisheries, animal resource development, agro-based sectors of our strength. and number of the skill development and agriculture sector also. We have skilled workers, we have the skilled farmers and the landless labor also. They are also unorganized sector, but they are also very trained. When we have our Narega program, there crores of people they are working, and they have generated so many persons of days also.